Hello, my people. Good morning. There is a message I want to pass across. Never you accept every old man's advices, because even fools are grown old. Akomeme molo. Kahama kwa wana Uganda uwekuga. Achuku. Agana wagan pishi. Yabo ubumoyo bovisi. Msune. Alongwa mautu wako akea. Like video ne share. Madzanemi ama. Pentreja humbachi. Like I was saying, you watch this video and you love it, and if you know it educates you, please like, share across to the internet. Thank you.